Hey guys, this is me and this is my EPIX from Garmin, and this is my new 26mm strap I bought on AliExpress. Now you guys are wondering how am I going to fit a 26mm on a 22, so watch carefully. Here we go. Basically what you need to do is to cut the edges of the strap to fit into the niche here of the 22mm. And that's it. You just need a good knife, and here it is. And we'll do the operation. Just switch those to the back, take some measurements, and apply the trimming on these sides, here and here, about 1.5 millimeters on each side. And regarding the depth, it's important to be precise and not too much and not too little. And then let's fit it in. So be back in a minute and let's see how it went. So I took the 22mm strap and placed it on top of it to have an exact measure. Now I can cut it. So give me a second. Let's see how it goes. Here's the trimming once I did the adjustments, and let's see if it fits. I'm taking the strap and let's see. Well, it fits exactly as planned. You see the leftovers I have here. Looks perfect from the back and from the top. So I'll do it again for the second strap. And here's the end result. Everything looks perfect. I'll try it on later, just to get myself excited about it. Have fun, try it yourself, and if it fails and maybe you cut it too much, it just cost $4.50, so not a big deal compared to an original Garmin strap. So have fun.